Hello friends, myself SUBHASH NAGARSE from Sri Digambar JAIN GURUKUL High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th Standard Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Quadratic Equations Part 7. In this session, we are going to discuss with application of the quadratic equation and problems based on the above content. In short, we are going to discuss with practice set 2.6. Friends, in the previous session of this quadratic equation part 6, we have been discussed with the following subtopics. Few word problems from practice set 2.6. Today in this session we are going to discuss with application of the quadratic equations. So, applications of these quadratic equations. Did you know that there are many uses of the quadratic equation in daily life? It plays a very important role in the survival of human beings. Sometimes people solve the equations but they are not aware because it comes naturally. Every field that involves the calculation of speed, area or determining profit has to involve these quadratic equations. It can be directly or indirectly. Quadratic equations refer to equations with at least one squared variable with the most standard form being ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The letter x represents an unknown and a, b, c being the coefficients of the representing known numbers and the letter a is not equal to 0. Following are some important applications of this quadratic equation in daily life. So, calculating room areas, military and law enforcement, figuring a profit, engineering field, then quadratics in sports and this management and clerical work, also finding a speed of any object and agriculture. Friends, today we will discuss some problems that are from practice set 2.6. Number 1. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Friends, we have to read the word problem very carefully and understand, then try to solve. Let the present age of this Pragati be x years. Therefore, 2 years ago, age of Pragati is equal to x minus 2 years, and after 3 years, age of Pragati is equal to x plus 3 years. According to the condition in the given problem, x minus 2 in one bracket, x plus 3 in another bracket is equal to 84. Therefore, we will multiply x to x plus 3 the whole bracket minus 2 to the whole bracket x plus 3 will be equal to 84. Therefore, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 84. Therefore, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Since 3x minus 2x is x. Now here x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. We have to now split the minus 90 into two factors, that is 10 into 9. So it will be x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. So among these x is common out taken, x into bracket x plus 10 minus 9 is out from the next 2, then in the bracket it will be x plus 10. Here x plus 10 is common, therefore we can write x plus 10 in another bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. We know that a into b is equal to 0 means either a must be 0 or b must be 0. Accordingly, you can write x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 9 is validated and x is equal to minus 10 is non-acceptable. Hence, we say that the present age of Pragati is 9 years. So, we will continue with the next problem number 2, which is the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. Here the numbers are natural, be aware. Let the first even natural number be x. Therefore, the next consecutive even natural number will be x plus 2. According to the given condition in the problem, we can write x square plus x plus 2 bracket 2 square is equal to 244. This sum they have given. Therefore, we wrote like this. Now we will solve the bracket x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. Now 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 2. You will get x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 12x minus 10 minus 120 is equal to 0. We have to find out the factors of 120. So it will be 12 and 10. Therefore, x is common among the first two. X into bracket x plus 12 minus 10 into bracket x plus 12. Therefore, you can write in first bracket x plus 12 as a common factor, and in another bracket there will be x minus 10, which will be 0. Therefore, you can write a b is equal to 0 means either a 0 or b 0, like that. You can write therefore x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, after solving, it will be getting that x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10. Friends, natural numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 is unacceptable or not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x plus 2 is equal to, that is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, the two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. We will continue with the next problem number 3. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of the following flowchart. They have given the flowchart that number of trees in a column is x. Then you have to do number of trees in a row. How much you have to do? Then total number of trees that you have to write. Frame a quadratic equation. Then find the value of x. Then number of trees in a column and number of trees in a row you have to find out. Let us start with this. That first number of trees in a column is x, that has been given. Therefore, number of trees in a row will be x plus 5. It is given that more than 5. Total number of trees will be x into x plus 5, product of those two. According to the given conditions, we can write that x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. We have to attempt this one. So it will be x square plus 5x is equal to 150. Solve the bracket. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now, x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now, 150 is splitted. Two factors we have to consider. 15 into 10 is 150 and 15 minus 10 is 5. Therefore, you can write now that x into bracket x plus 15 minus 10 into bracket x plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, you will get x plus 15 in one bracket and x minus 10 in another bracket is equal to 0. Means x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, you are getting that x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. But number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 is unacceptable. Therefore, you can get x is equal to 10. So, friends, the number of trees in a column is 10. Second, the number of trees in a row is equal to x plus 5, 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Hence, the number of trees in a row is 15. Problem number 4 now. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. So, we'll start the problem. Let the present age of Kishore be x. Therefore, present age of Vivek is equal to x plus 5 years. The multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1 upon x and 1 upon x plus 5. So, according to the condition given problem, we will write x 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. So, we will solve this one. Left hand side, x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5, because x into x plus 5 is the LCM. So, for the first, you have to multiply with x plus 5 and second term with x. So, we are getting x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, we will solve that. 2x plus 5 divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, we will cross multiply. 6 into bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to x into x plus 5. Therefore, you are getting, solve the bracket, 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Therefore, you will get x square plus 5x minus 12x is equal, minus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. We have to split the 30 in such a way that the product is 30 and sum is 7. That will be 10 and 3. These are the two factors of 30. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. In the first two term, x is common, that is taken out. X into bracket x minus 10 plus 3 in the third and fourth term, you are getting x minus 10 in the bracket. So here x minus 10 is common, that is taken in the first bracket, second bracket. What left is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write that x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So friends, you are getting that x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 3. But we know that age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and next x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, that is 15. Hence, you can write that present ages of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. So, now problem number 5. Subhash scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first test. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as square of the score in the first term. Find the scores in the first test. Friends, let the score of the Subhash in the first test be x. Therefore, score in the second test is x plus 10. 10 is more. According to the given conditions, you will get that 5 times x plus 10 is equal to x square. Now solve the bracket to the left hand side. 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. Therefore, we can write the x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. You have to split this 50 in such a way that the product is 50 and sum is 5. So, those will be 10 and 5. 10 5s are 50 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Among the first two terms, x is common, that is taken out. What left in the bracket is x minus 10 plus in third and fourth term 5 is common, that is taken out. So, what left in the bracket is x minus 10 again. In this step, x minus 10 is common and that is taken out. And what left in the other bracket is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. You can attempt this, that x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. So friends, we know that score cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10 is the right. Therefore, you can write that the score of Subhash in the first test is 10. Friends, what we have discussed till now, in this session, we discussed on the following subtopics, that is the application of the quadratic equations and word problems from practice 2.6. So, will you try this one? There is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tivasa. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Find the length and breadth of the storehouse. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 20 cm. The difference between its other two sides is 4 cm. Find the length of the sides. The sum of the number is 9. The square of the numbers is 41. Find the numbers. So try. These are simple problems from your text. So friends, you should not forget the famous words of Shiv Khera, that is, have a vision. It is the ability to see the invisible. If you can see the invisible, you can achieve the impossible. So, if you like this video, please subscribe and share and like this video. With these words, I would like to say thank you.